let's take a look at the market action today. We had some damn good patterns. So anybody can tell me what they see off the low of the morning out of the US cash session open. A W pattern and lift. We go green on the iGrid cloud. And then we have the iGrid cloud trade above or plot above the horizontal portion of the grid MA. And so you can engage that action to the long side. So it doesn't make any sense to be a seller in the middle of the road of the recent range when you only have a small amount of room to most recent support. It makes more sense to stay on the buy side. Here was another opportunity after a pullback. We go from on the grid cloud from red to green, and we start plotting above the grid MA. Another area to engage the market long. Another pullback and lift. Now, if somebody wanted to take a shot at the market after clearing above some of this recent resistance, there was your pattern. Got a little bit of movement out of that. Then we lift, and if you wanted to be long again, beautiful pattern back alongside. And institutionals have been grabbing every pullback and working the living shit out of it, trying to hang on to this thing and keep pressing it higher, and they just got a little nice spike range extension above some other levels. So we'll see if we rotate back into the prior range a bit, maybe before they puke it up some, or they try to go up and get a higher high on the day and go to another level that's a bit higher than where we're at. So anyhow, I wanted to show you some of the setups. Again, price patterns and indicator patterns. You get a W pattern and lift. That's like what I would call a screamer get long setup. I don't know what you'd be waiting for. You just flushed out all the prior levels. Let's go take a look at that. So you flushed out some prior levels from the overnight session, and off you go, and it's been all buy side pretty much, other than this little area of selling. Makes some sense. We cleaned out some levels in here, and they got then very close to this level here, right up in that area. Then now we've pressed above and we got levels a bit higher. So anyhow, we'll see what we get, but some nice action. That W pattern lift, we were one and done on the long side with the core iGrid system. It was long, and I don't see any reason why you shouldn't have been able to get north of daily profit objective, whether you're going for about 500 to 700 a day on a 150K account or 1,000 plus a day on a 300K account. It was one and done, fully automated, and you shouldn't have even needed to do an ad unless you were playing like really light position size. I like this spike and rotation lower, fading it a bit, just see if I can pad a little bit. If I don't get a breakdown here soon, I'll go flat, call it a day, pretty much at daily goal on the 150K accounts and over goal for the bigger accounts. So not going to watch this much longer. This is already 11-ish a.m. U.S. Central Time. I don't really like to watch the market much past this time. And it's just been institutionals just and grabbing, pumping, grabbing, pumping, grabbing, pumping, grabbing, pumping, grabbing, pumping. Every time we're getting a pullback, they've been very active in here. And it's this type of price action does nothing for me. It puts me to sleep. So we got nice, beautiful price action and a W pattern and lift out of the open. That was a very nice move and off to the races. Nice push on the day. Okay, so there you have it. iGrid automated system there. The scalper should have been easily one and done on the day, pretty much regardless of time frame and settings. And I wanted to go over some of the setups on the new setup, more additional ways. If you go back just in the last 2 weeks, I put up tons of videos related to the new tools that I keep adding to the iGrid program. And now with the new NT8 programmer that I just hired on board, we're going to wrap up a bunch of other work quick and just go nuts in November and December on Quantower stuff and other platforms. So there you have it. If you have any questions, let me know. info@gridalgo.com. There is a special offer going on through the end of the week for access to the Grid Algo program. So just let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day, and talk to you guys later.